How to refer your patients for us to arrange their scan. Log into your account. Click on Send a Referral. Enter the patient's information. Select your booking option. There are 3 options: us to contact your patient directly to book them in, for them to contact us, and for them to come as a walk-in. With each option, the patient will receive an automated SMS and email to say they have been referred and a link to schedule their appointment. We also make regular phone calls to patients. Choose the service you require. Choose e-imaging and output. Choose whether the patient has a radiographic template. And provide any clinical indications. Select your payment method. You can view the price below and click Book to finish. Thank you for watching.